Eric, look what I've done over here. Look. Look, I know you like this pink blanket. Come here. Come here to this side. Eric, I've put it in I've put it in a little square for you. Come on, up you come. I know you like sitting on square things. Come on. You're going to avoid it, are you? I did this specially for you. On here. Why don't you try it? Why don't you try it? Oh my goodness. Honestly, you're such a cat. You're such a cat. Look. You will only do what you want to do. You are such a cat. This is a perfect little spot. You do like this blanket normally, and I've folded it up. I folded it up into a square. Would you like to try the blanket? Try the blanket? I thought you'd like it. I thought you'd like it. Come on. Come over here then. You can sit next to me then, if you don't want to sit on the blanket. Oh, you're so awkward. You're actually sort of half sitting on me, Eric. As long as it was your choice though, hey? Alright, Purry boy? My name's Purry Face. Love you. My beauty. My beautiful cat. Bring me sunshine all the while.